What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. We're jumping right into it. I'm going to show you guys how I make ice cream at work. Today we're making orange creamsicle. So I got my oranges alongside the peels, and I'm pouring in heavy cream. Alright, next I threw in sugar and vanilla, and I'm pouring in some corn syrup. Now we're going to let that cook down on the stove for about 15 minutes or so until everything is all incorporated and good and yummy. In the meanwhile, I got a Lexon set up, and I'm pouring in my heavy cream. I'm sorry, half and half. You see it right there, it's half and half. Next, I got some stabilizer. This is just to help the ice cream last longer in the freezer. You don't need this if you're making it at home. I'm sure you're gonna eat it soon enough. Now in a separate container, I'm pouring in liquid egg yolks. This is how I achieve my smooth and creamy ice cream. I'm going to temper the egg yolks into the ice cream batter. Now I was struggling with this part because I was trying to record it, show y'all what I do, and temper it in there. But basically I take the hot ice cream base and I pour it into the egg yolks and I whisk it. Obviously I couldn't do it with, damn, my hands was full, and I keep doing that until the egg yolks are up to temp. And then I pour them back into the pot and give it a good little mix. As you can see, it looks really orange. Next, I get a chinois and I pour my orange ice cream base into the half and half mixture. And I just got a ladle that I bent the crap out of trying to push these oranges down. Next, I get an immersion blender and I just blend it all up to make sure everything is smooth. There's no lumps and clumps, and we let that cool. Now once it's cool, I spin it. See how like it has no orange color to it at all. Like, look at that! Look at that! Who make better ice cream? Who make better ice cream? Now I had some leftover orange cake from a special I did, so I just decided to crumble that up into it, so it's an orange creamsicle cake ice cream. It was really good though. And no, the cake didn't get soggy. I get this question a lot. The cake was already very moist to begin with, as you can see, but once it goes in the freezer, it freezes like cake. Like, so it kind of has a bite to it when it comes out the freezer. So no, it's not soggy. And then I scoop them into little ice cream cups, pop them back in the freezer to just solidify, and then they're ready to sell. And that is how I make ice cream at work. Thank you guys for watching the entire video. Please comment down below some flavors you want me to make, some flavors you want to see, any flavor combination. Let me know and I'll make it. All right, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button. Peace out.